Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan DDR5 64GB memory kit. This kit boasts a speed of 6,400 MHz with a CL34 latency. Designed for the latest 600 and 700 series chipsets and supports XMP 3.0. First impressions are solid. The heat spreaders have a sleek, aggressive design that should look great in most builds. More importantly, it feels well-built and substantial, which is reassuring when you're dealing with high-performance components. The 64GB capacity, split into two 32GB modules, is a sweet spot for gamers, content creators, and anyone who juggles multiple demanding applications. You'll have plenty of headroom for large datasets, complex video editing projects, and running multiple virtual machines without a hitch. The rated speed of 6,400 MHz is impressive, and the XMP 3.0 support makes it easy to achieve those speeds on compatible motherboards. Simply enable the XMP profile in your BIOS, and you're good to go. Of course, your mileage may vary depending on your specific motherboard and CPU, but in most cases, you should be able to hit the advertised speeds without much hassle. In terms of performance, the T-Force Vulcan DDR5 delivers. In gaming, you can expect smoother frame rates, especially in CPU-intensive titles. Content creation tasks like video editing and rendering will also see a significant boost, thanks to the increased memory bandwidth and capacity. The CL34 latency is respectable for DDR5, and it strikes a good balance between speed and responsiveness. While lower latencies are always desirable, they often come at a premium, and the T-Force Vulcan offers excellent value for its performance. Overall, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Vulcan DDR5 64GB kit is a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade to the latest memory standard. It offers a great combination of speed, capacity, and reliability, making it a worthwhile investment for serious gamers and content creators. If you're building a new system or upgrading an existing one, this memory kit should definitely be on your radar.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.